First, we sow the seeds. Today I picked the seeds directly from ripe tomatoes, put them in suitable nursery pots and sprayed them with water to keep them in a cool place. Tomato growing materials. Today I used 2 storage baskets and 2 discarded plastic bottles to grow tomatoes. I punched a hole in 2 plastic water bottles and attached a towel to absorb water for the plants. When preparing soil for growing tomatoes, if you want the soil to have long-term nutrition and be loose, you should mix rice husks and vermicompost, mix well and put it in the pot. When newly planted seedlings need loose soil that can easily absorb nutrients, I often mix in rice husks. Not only that, rice husks also prevent erosion very well. The seeds will germinate and we will plant them. Remember to add water to the pot after planting. With this way of making water containers, plants always maintain stable humidity, are easy to water, and prevent root erosion. Good seeds, right planting, tomatoes will grow fast, keep energy to grow and flower. I will take care of them. I will cut off all the branches at the base to concentrate nutrients on the tree, helping it to flower. Then, I will till the soil to support the metabolism process to take place better. After adding the worm castings, I will add soil to the base of the plant, which helps promote metabolism and helps the plant stand up to the weather. When tomato plants flower, they need nutrients to grow, flower, and fruit. We can take care of them now. Fertilizing and watering are two things that always go along the journey. In addition, this also helps the plant to bloom more easily. I choose a flower stimulant mixed with water and sprayed evenly on the plant. We take advantage of the space of the terrace and balcony to grow plants, so we always have to choose fertilizers and tools that are harmless to humans and environmentally friendly. After nearly 3 months, the tomatoes have flowered, set fruit, and are ripe. Now I can use them in my daily meals and as gifts. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.